Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is tetelestai. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is tetelestai. In English, it means it is finished. Isa siyang pangungusap. Naganap na. These are the words of Jesus in John chapter 19 verse 30, spoken from the cross before He gave up His Spirit. Grammatically, tetelestai is in the perfect tense of the verb teleo, meaning to complete, to accomplish, to fulfill. The perfect tense indicates an action brought to completion with lasting effect. In other words, Jesus does not simply say, "It is over." He declares, "It has been accomplished once and for all, and its effects remain." This single word, isang salita lang yun, di ba? It sums up the mystery of salvation. On the cross, Christ has completed the work the Father entrusted to Him. He has fulfilled the Scriptures, defeated sin, and opened the way to eternal life. Now, outside the Bible, tetelestai was also used in commerce. See? It's not even religious. It's used in commerce to mark a debt as paid in full. Kapag bayad na lahat, tetelestai. How powerful then that Jesus speaks this word as He dies. Kung bayad na lahat, tetelestai, ano kayang ibig sabihin ni Jesus doon? Bayad na lahat. Our debt of sin has been canceled, paid by His sacrifice of love. The challenge for us is this: how do we live in light of tetelestai? It means we no longer carry the burden of sin alone. It means trusting in the sufficiency of Christ's sacrifice and then letting His victory shape our daily lives. Friends, tetelestai is not a cry of defeat, but a proclamation of triumph. The cross is not the end, but the completion of God's saving plan. Have a grace-filled and holy days of the Paschal Triduum. Happy Holy Week. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith.